So I'm going to call this Festive Stuffed Pork Tenderloin. So I got my pork tenderloin. I took off as much fat as I could, but we keep a little on, right? So I gotta open this because I'm gonna be stuffing it. I think I'll open it this way. So you cut it, not all the way, because I want to stuff it. So we cut it, a simple cut. Okay. And we're going to cook it slow. So your butterfly in it. There we go. And then you can stuff it. I don't have string, but that's okay. So I'm going to bake at preheat 300 for about 50 minutes. About 50 minutes. So I opened that now. I'm going to move this. I thought I had another butcher block. Oh yeah, it's over there. Okay, so I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this on here for now. So I cut it like that, right? Okay. So we got that over there. And wash the butcher block. I need that knife. And wash it good. Hot water. Wash that butcher block. Could have done it in advance, but I wanted to show you guys how I did it. Okay. So the butcher block. I gotta get another one. I need another butcher block. Okay, so I did some prep. I took bacon and I cooked it in the air fryer. You take bacon and chop it up small. Chop it up really small. The bacon, I'm just making a little one because it's just for me, right? Cooked bacon. Chop it up small. Chop it up small. Yeah, Festive. So I decided to put the poultry dressing instead of the oregano. You can put thyme and rosemary, but I don't like thyme and rosemary, so whatever spices you want to put, but I'm putting. So we cut up the bacon. Now I cooked some spinach, squished it down, try to get all the water out of it. Like I said, I'm just making a little one. And I'm going to have it with sweet potato and cranberry. I bought a can of cranberry sauce. So there's that. Okay, so we got spinach, bacon, got an egg, garlic poultry, walnuts. I think they're smashed up good. Yeah, they're really chopped good. The walnuts chopped good. The cranberries. They're dried cranberries. They're good. Just dropped one. Don't know where it went. So I kept my cream cheese out. So it should be soft. My cream cheese. I always try to make this stuff and then I got the cream cheese. Keep it in the fridge. But I kept it out to keep it soft. So this should be nice and soft, right? Cream cheese. Okay, so take the scissors. Take the scissors. And then at the end of it, when I make my plate, I'll do a thumbnail. And then I'll take it to the table, the end of this, and take a bite. Oh, that cream cheese, I don't want to waste, right? I love cream cheese. I'm just eating for me today. But I washed my hands. Okay. So, we crunch down cream cheese with an egg. This should taste good. A Festive. Someone didn't feel like having turkey on Christmas because Thanksgiving is so close what ours is. Well, your guys' is. State's November. Ours is October, but... So 1 egg, cream cheese, egg and cream cheese. Okay. Now, I don't know. I'll put some garlic and put some pepper. I'm not gonna put salt and poultry, sage and savory. Sage and savory. Okay. I want to get rid of this. Sage and savory, and I think it's oregano too. They put in it or something, I don't know. But anyway, it's Festive. I can smell it. Reminds me of Christmas, Thanksgiving, turkey. Okay, get rid of this fork. Use a spoon now. Now, we're going to put some walnuts. They're chopped already. Chopped walnuts. Handful. About that much. You can get as much as you want. I don't want that much. Yeah, this should be a Festive. It should taste good. The sweet potato, I'm just going to mush it up and put... Oh, my hands are slippery. Margarine and salt and pepper, and that's it. Okay, cranberries, dried cranberries, handful. Make sure they're, I don't want them too big. They'll dehydrate. They'll hydrate back again, I should say, when you cook them. Anyway, I don't want too many because I got a can of cranberries. Okay, so we got the bacon. And the spinach. The bacon and the spinach. Mix that all good together. Wash this off because put the pork back on there. Wish I had those little strings to tie it, but we'll try to do it without it, eh? I don't have no string. I don't have any string. I got elastics, but I'm not going to do that. Not with elastic. So, there's the pork loin. Mix this all up better. Now, let's see what I got here. Try to flatten it out a little bit, you know. It's too thick. Okay. That should be good. That should be good. I don't know. Let's see. I want all of it. The pork loin. Oh, I got myself a mess here. Okay. Now, I don't know how I'm going to wrap this up. Figure a way. There's always a way. See if I had string. But I got no string. Cooking string. Can you get cooking string? You must be able to. The butchers use it. Then I did find, I knew I had some. I thought I put it in a junk drawer. I do have I would have used it for the tins that day. I put it in this drawer, and it should have been I do have, I don't think I can wrap it up in it, though. When I made the patins, the cheesecloth, I might be able to wrap it up in it. But I don't want to, because I gotta put a thing. Oh my word. I'm just trying to think what I can use to wrap it up, to hold it. Gotta be something. Oh well, maybe I can just tuck it under and would have made it too slippery. Okay, so I got my heat with the tin foil. Let's see what I can do. Supposed to roll this up. See if he had string. Cause I want it stopped. Stopped really good. But what I could do, which I don't want to, I'm going to lay it down on the side. Okay, so got that done. What I wanted to do was take some oil . Let's put it over here. Take some oil and oil it. And then do the breadcrumbs, but I don't think I'm going to have any chance in heck of doing this. But we'll try, won't we? Okay. Put the breadcrumb. Get some on it. Won't be able to get that much, but okay. So when I put it in the, I could wrap the whole thing in tinfoil, but I don't want to. I'm just going to lay it a little bit on the side and try to squish it in as good as I can, right? There. That's good enough for the breadcrumb. Okay, let me wash my hands. So I'm going to cook it about 40 minutes. So there's my stuffed pork loin, traditional, and cook that for 40 minutes. I'm going to do up some sweet potato now, and then I'll do a thumbnail, and then I'll take a picture of my plate with the thumbnail and show you guys when it's done. I'll put that in the oven for 40 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yeah, about a quarter after. That'll be cooked at 300. Cook it slow. I'll let you know anyway. But I say 40 minutes, so see you in a bit. I'll take it out of the oven. I'll film me taking it out of the oven. So, cigarette time. Okay, so I cooked it at 300 for an hour and it didn't look like it was cooking. So what I did, turned it up to 400 and let it cook for another half hour. So let's see what it looks like. And I cooked my sweet potatoes and I cooked it slow, and then okay, let's see. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to just move it on to the, don't want to waste any of that. Yeah, that's cooked. So I'm going to cut it, make a plate and take it over there and see. So I'm going to make a plate and then I'll bring it over there and have it a taste. So see you in a bit. Okay, so we're going to taste it. I'm not going to talk that long. So there's that. So let's see. So I cooked it 300 for an hour on 300, put it up to 400 and cooked it a half hour. So it's cooked really good. It didn't seem like it was cooking. I think it might be my oven but let's see what this tastes. Sweet potatoes, I just put butter, salt and pepper. Oh yeah, that's cooked good. Real good. I didn't think I would like it with walnuts but the poultry spice is really good with it. See, I don't know if LaFonda would have liked this, see. But I do. She likes cream cheese and that, but she said she's not a pork lover. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning. that's my supper for tonight. I got some leftover for tomorrow. So see you in the morning. After this is cigarette time.